Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a band group in the band app using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the band app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home screen, tap the band group you want to delete. Inside the band, tap the settings button at the bottom right of your screen. Then select my settings from the menu. Now scroll down the settings menu until you see delete band. This option only appears for the leader. Tap delete band. A pop-up will appear asking if you are sure. Confirm by tapping yes or delete. This will permanently remove the band and all its content for everyone. Go back to your home screen. The band should no longer appear in your list, which means it has been successfully deleted. And that's it. We have just deleted a band in the band app on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.